hirap i-build ng confidence ng isang tao. And then, some people with that tongue.
Ken reminds 18 with this deep message amidst their SB19 Simula at Wakas concert in San Francisco. We all know Ken na madalang lang magsalita, but when he does, mapapaisip ka talaga. Tulad na lang ng kanyang mensahe sa Simula at Wakas concert nila sa San Francisco.
Pagsubok na yan, despite sa mga, people, minamock nila kami. Hindi kami tanggap ng music industry before, but we survived. We almost quit. We got a lot of times that we almost quit because, this thing right here, it's too fragile, So, it's just like a glass, Talagang ang bilis niya basagin talaga Ang bilis niya basagin, sobrang bilis i-build up. Sobrang hirap i-build ng confidence ng isang tao. And then, some people with that tongue, isang word lang, talagang basag siya agad So, I just want to tell you guys na pangalagaan niyo yung puso niyo. Pangalagaan niyo yung sarili niyo. As much as we, take care of ourselves also. And, 7 years is not easy. Parang sa relationship natin, di ba, pag mayroon tayong mga relasyon dyan, 7 years of journey is not easy.
7 years pa lang!
Really long. Talaga, mahabang pasensya, and mahabang pag-ibig. So, ayun lang naman po ang aking masinsinang. Let's take care of our
because of you.
puso natin. Let's take care of our hearts.